Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you Razer mouse not working. How do you fix it? So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now if you're having problems with your Razer mouse here, there's a few things that you can try to probably solve this issue. So first things first is we want to do some basic troubleshooting. So make sure that you first plug in properly your Razer mouse. So sometimes not plugging them properly can cause this issue, and sometimes it can even stutter. Now another thing that you might want to consider here is especially if your Razer mouse is wireless, it might have some interference on its connection. So for example, if your mouse is in, or the connection between your mouse is in between a Wi-Fi connection, then it might be the cause of that issue. Now, just to give you some idea, for example, this is your PC right now, and you have your USB in here, and you have some form of Wi-Fi that you refer to. So in this case, if you have your mouse in between that, the signal from this device or the signal from your mouse will be disrupted, and sometimes this can actually cause the lag itself. Now in this case, this is not always the case for everyone, but in my case, sometimes this happens to me. So I would suggest you to make sure that your mouse is not in between your Wi-Fi. So you might want to move this around, like for example, move this in here somewhere that is not in between the connections that you have on your PC. Now, in this case, this applies to any device that you have right now, but again, you can go ahead and try it. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you might want to do some basic updates on your PC. So in this case, you want to go to your desktop, you want to right click on your desktop. You want to go to your desktop here and want to type in the following. It's going to be Device Manager. And under Device Manager, you want to look for your mouse. So you want to go ahead and look for mice and other pointing devices. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. Now, once you've done that, you could go ahead and basically see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you could do here as well is you might want to update, or in this case, install signups for or free, depending on what you want. But in this case, go ahead and install that. And another thing that you might want to consider here is where you plug your USB or the connector or the wireless plug or USB for your mouse. So typically speaking, you need to use a USB 3.0 on your PC. So usually it's indicated by this blue color or distinct blue color on it. So if you do see a blue color on your PC, that's a USB 3.0. So use that to connect your mouse. Sometimes it's not, or if you're using like a different USB port here or just USB 2.0, it's going to cause the lag. It's not able to basically keep up with the data that it needs. So that's why it's lagging. So make sure you use a 3.0 mouse port on your PC. But yeah, so in this case, those are the troubleshooting steps that you can do here to probably fix this issue. So in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.